Hey guys, what's up? YourHowToGame here. In this video we'll be showing you how to get 100% mission completion on the Franklin and Lamar mission in GTA5. The main objective of this mission is to actually steal the pair of cars directly in front of the house, and it does not matter which car you choose.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Long.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
In order to get 100% completion on this mission, you must achieve 4 objectives, which are not a scratch, which is to deliver the repo car with minimal damage. Focus is to use Franklin's special ability for at least 7 seconds. Winner is where you have to actually beat Lamar in the race. And finally, we come in peace is avoid hitting any of the aliens in the movie studio. So the first objective we will be completing is actually beating Lamar. I advise just trying to stay with him as much as possible until near the end of the race. Also, be careful not to damage your car, as this will remove not a scratch achievement.
Right.
What? I hear you.
Come on, Frank.
Whatever you say.
Right, homie.
All right.
Up here, through the studio. Let's show these movie people how we do.
As one of the goals is to use Franklin's special ability for 7 seconds, I'd advise using it in this location, as it will help you with "We Come in Peace" goal, which was not to hit any of the aliens in the movie studio. Also, I would try to keep some of Franklin's special ability just outside the movie studio, as you will also have to dodge this van.
To the left.
Yeah, whatever you say.
You ain't even testing me.
If you want to chunk them things.
Oh, shit. We hang on the left.
Okay.
Ha loco. Any ticket we get gon' go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Left here, we going. Through the parking lot.
Shit, cool, homie.
Once you're going through this tunnel, I advise flooring it to the end and try and use Franklin's special ability, as this will give you an extra boost. Be careful not to jump too far over or you will damage your car, and as you can see, you should just roll past Lamar at the end.
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass.
After that short cutscene, the cops will now begin to chase you, to which you must quickly lose them. The easiest method is to follow the way shown and continue into the train yard. Once you've lost the cops, continue back to the dealership by following the yellow route marker. Again, be careful not to damage your car too much, as this will deactivate the not a scratch goal. Once you've made it back to Simeon's garage, a short cutscene will begin, to which you will get a first look at Jimmy and the new car he's buying.
don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Yeah, you are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Man, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he reel him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
Once that has ended, continue out to the back of Simeon's garage to pick up Franklin's car. Again, follow the route marker back to Franklin's house and place your car in the garage.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
What? Oh, fuck.
You will then be given the chance to explore Franklin's safe house, to which you can do the different activities that's inside. You can also save your game and change your clothes in this location. As always, thanks for watching. We've been YourHowToGame. We hope you've enjoyed our videos of GTA so far, and if you want to see more, click the annotations above, and as always, click that subscribe button.